The way we talk to each other, not only what we say, but how we say it, affects the way others perceive us. You can modify your voice when speaking to someone to try to sound more attractive.
The thing about consciousness is that it's all about probabilities.
But what about the role of consciousness in quantum experiments?
Our award-winning Speak Right pills will guarantee to give you perfect pitch every time, ensuring you project a winning sound.
Consciousness.
I don't think consciousness has any bearing on a science experiment. It's more of a philosophical question, a if a tree falls in the woods sort of scenario.
What is the role of the observer?
Is the state of an electron defined when a detector detects it or when someone looks at it?